In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Scorecard in Google Sheets. A scorecard is a simple, powerful way to spotlight a single key number, like total sales, average rating, or the count of completed tasks. It's perfect when you want a clean, at-a-glance snapshot without a full chart. Before we begin, make sure you already have the number you want to display calculated in your sheet. That might be a formula like a sum, an average, or a count. The scorecard will simply read whatever value is in the cell you choose, so having that metric ready is important. Start by clicking the cell that contains your calculated metric. A single click is all you need. This tells Google Sheets exactly which value the scorecard should display. It doesn't matter if the cell contains a formula or a static number, the scorecard will show the current result and keep it up to date as your data changes. Next, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then select Chart. Sheets will insert a default chart on your sheet and open the chart editor panel on the right. Don't worry if the initial chart type isn't what you want, we'll change it in the next step. If you see the panel appear, you're in the right place. In the chart editor, look for the chart type drop-down near the top. Click it to open the list of available chart types. Scroll until you find Scorecard, then select it. As soon as you choose Scorecard, the chart on your sheet transforms into a clean tile that highlights your selected number. That's it. The scorecard is now connected to the cell you picked and will automatically refresh whenever the underlying value changes. Take a moment to glance at the result. You should see a large, easy-to-read number that reflects your chosen metric. If your data updates regularly, this scorecard becomes a live indicator of performance. You can place it somewhere prominent on your sheet for quick monitoring, and if you've organized your sheet with clear labels nearby, it will be immediately obvious what the number represents. To recap, you identify the metric in a cell, insert a chart, and switch the chart type to scorecard. This quick workflow turns any calculated value into a visual centerpiece that's perfect for dashboards and status reports. With your scorecard in place, you have a reliable, real-time snapshot of the number that matters most.